Well, welcome back. This toy is actually for our good friend of the channel, Jerry Dixey. He has helped me out with so many pedal cars and getting the small toys. If you are into anything automobilia, he is the man. He also sells things on eBay as well. He has helped me out so much. I just wanted to give him a big thank you. So I had made this toy for him. He actually helped me get this toy, and I know he said he had liked the panel truck, so I thought we'd put it together for him. He is also a favorite color green man, so it's green on green. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't yet, like, subscribe, comment if you wish.